Like my new logo? I think it fits the scene just fine. Could have been a little brighter, a little crisper, and a little clearer. It's not. It should be. Hey, I'm Fish. I got some talking to do. And yes, you could say it's about the Insta360. Cameras, mics, and more. What the heck, man? 3, 4? Yeah, double and triple park. Remember, Fish, you chose to come this way. I gotta stop and do one of these. I saw a turkey. Now I see a chicken, a rooster. And I don't want to ruin my shot being on 8K. I want to be on 4K. Oh man, chicken for tonight. I think I was saying, if you're new to Insta360, the Luna Ultra, just use it. Don't worry about what people say, the firmware. Don't upload. Just use it as is. You're gonna hear people say, oh, the camera's got a battery drain. Well, that's on the touchscreen side only. And the updated firmware did correct it. But it's random. It's not all cameras, if asked. Gonna be many videos out there. Oh, I got hidden tricks. I got hidden features. Oh yeah, they are hidden. You just have to know where to look for them. There's no secret about it. Oh yeah, hype. That's all it is, baby, hype. No. This is not a microphone. When you have this on, that is not a microphone. And the only way you could get it to work, to be a microphone, shut the mic off, switch on over. This is not a microphone. Now this is a microphone. Did you know that? Anybody out there, any Fish, don't have to come close to the camera. All you gotta do is this. Zoom in, scroll up to the face. Oh man, where am I? How come it's not on me? What is it doing? Is it tracking me? Here I am, right here, center. This is all hype. I'm back on the microphone. I gotta get off the thick part of the shirt. And oh man, it's burning my hand. It's warm back here. So you like want a hand warmer? That's pretty cool. It's just amazing how the oils of your hand can make dirty contact. No! It's all hype, people. It's basically a random glitch in the camera. It happened twice. Well, you could say it happened 3 times because this time it happened twice. And does 2 times count as once? You can't see the humor in the video, then I don't know what I can do to help you out. But I did have somebody, a client, come to the channel and they're offering you an hour of therapy. Yeah, if you want it. I could get with the people to give you a discount for 1 hour free of therapy. I don't need 2 hours. I'm the only sane person here. Everybody else is all on hype. Maybe I do need those 3 hours so I could get off this hype wagon. I'm old school. I'm an old fart. I can see that. You guys been around longer than me. I'm just history. I'm not going to give up on Insta360 because I'm in talks and even online, and the information that we all hear and give and get, it's mix and match. I will tell you this, save your funds. Choose the camera you want. Right now, premature. It's not a matured Insta360 Luna Ultra. And over time, maybe it will be a great camera. For me, I'm still waiting for firmware 1.0.288. And Insta said, oh, it's nothing much of an update. And hearing people out there saying, oh, 1.02.88 is a major update. Oh man, all hype. Hype, and I can't even get it on film. I'm just happy I got a camera. I can zoom in on the shot. But we gotta be centered to get it. All right, I gotta be careful. The bus gotta make its round. The roundy turn. I missed the sunrise, and it is high tide. I don't think I'm gonna be walking on the little sewer ramp out to the water. I can sit here, watch the next airplane take off through the clouds. They are low-hanging clouds, a wonderful formation before it's going to come on down and rain again. Yeah, that is a little blue, and just in between. How high are those clouds? 750 feet maximum. How do you know that, Fish? I kind of have a good guesstimate. I want to zoom in, double click, I center, and I want to catch that bulldozer coming on down. That is the hint of getting your shots centered. Double click before zooming. I'm going to be run over by a bulldozer, pushed into the water. Nah, he's getting on out of here. Zooming while tracking is always possible with the Luna Ultra. Let me get on out of here because that sky is threatening. And I got things to do with Joe and take care of beeswax, which I have. The wind is kicking, the plane is going, and I can't find one in the sky. I may take the Insta360 Luna and have it at rest. Because I'm not having fun with overlays, little bugs, little issues. You can keep the bugs, man. Those gnats, mosquitoes, they're unbelievable. Guys and girls, don't fall for the hype. I'm Fish. Don't get hyped. Oh, you can't see that. Don't get hyped.